Okay, now everything should be working. I don't know what's going on, but we're good now. I have all my screens working, YouTube is working, all good. There should be no echo. But you guys let me know. Thanks, yeah. Sometimes it's like that. Okay, now we're good. We're good. Okay, not much happening so far. I'm gonna wait for pullbacks on everything. Um, yeah, Apple is rejecting the 192 level that I was expecting. Man, um, Netflix just it's having so much trouble at 580, and today is looking bearish. I need Netflix to do something and break 580. But today I want to see it holding 560. I'm still holding that one on the small account and it's right now is red. Tesla closed the gap already? So fast? What? No way. No way. I missed that? No. What are you talking about? Tesla didn't close the gap. You guys. It's not even near closing the gap. I want to see Tesla holding 193. If you can hold 193 as support, that will be my entry to play the gap, but I don't know if I want to swing anything with so many huge earnings coming up today and tomorrow. Pre-market gap, that's not the gap that I've been talking about with Tesla. That is not the gap. Yeah, if you cannot hold 193, I'm not interested on Tesla. And I'm watching 198.50 on IWM. I need Tesla to regain 193. So far, I don't see anything. Um, maybe a short here, but I don't know if I want to play against Spy, which has been so strong lately. Come on, Netflix. I need you at 585. Go to 585. Yeah, I like Tesla here. I want to see Tesla regaining um that level 193. Okay, I'm gonna go with shorting the queue because Apple is losing it here. Wait, wait, wait. I haven't entered anything. Gonna go with, let's see. I haven't entered anything so far. Gonna wait. Gonna wait. Gonna wait. I'm gonna start small position here. Okay, I'm gonna go with Tesla holds. Let's see. The 195. So Tesla 195 weekly. If it wasn't because we have so many earnings coming up this week, I would have gotten for next week and swing trade this one, but I don't think I'm gonna swing Tesla. And I'm gonna play IWN to the upside. I like this hold here. My stop loss on the IWN is gonna be morning low. My stop loss on the Q, it's gonna be this high, morning high. So I'm pretty much playing against myself. My Tesla stop loss is gonna be 191. It's yesterday high. That's my stop loss around yesterday high. So this one I wanna see a rejection here. And I wanna see this hold. I don't know if it should fill the gap. You guys know that I'm always waiting to see how it's gonna move. I don't know if it's gonna fill the gap or not. Nobody knows that. We cannot see the future. We only here to see, to just wait and see how it's gonna move, and that's it. Okay, so SPY is right at this double top here or triple top. If it breaks this resistance, super bullish. If not, we can have a little pullback. But if SPY pullbacks, the Q is gonna pull back even more. Should I get out before data? Apple is losing it. That should drag the Q that lower. Not right now. I guess just wait and see. So far, I like the risk to reward here with SPY playing the downside, but to play the downside, I prefer the Q because definitely weaker than SPY. SPY keeps making new all-time high, while the Q, not. It's not. And honestly, today I think we most likely have a choppy, um, just an inside candle day on the daily. I'll be look to play tech to the upside if we see the Q being strong, but the Q is not. Tesla on the other side, looking pretty good. We have data in 3 minutes. Make sure to be careful if you're playing any futures with data coming up. Okay, I like that. Mm. Tesla looks fantastic. Let's see. Damn. What? Okay, I'm taking. I got out on MQ and I'm holding the RTY. Let's see if we're gonna bounce here or not. Yep. Damn. I sold the one that I didn't need to sell. But it's okay. IWM is holding, which I like. Bad data. That's perfect for SPY here to play the downside. Okay, I got out. Down like 200. Damn, that's a big move. Alright. gonna trade with just one account because um I'm gonna apply for payments in 2 days, so I don't want any funky business. Okay, so we're holding here so far, but nothing is 100% right now. But SPA is trying, definitely trying to hold. And the same with the Q, everything. Let's see some consolidation or clear trend. If we get any clear trend. I'm gonna wait for a little bit of consolidation to see if we're gonna bounce here or we're gonna keep going lower. I'll be back in like 1 minute. I need my coffee. Came back. Okay, Tesla holding. That's what I want to see. That's what we want to see. Market. Mm, 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 mm. Nothing is moving. Netflix is holding very, very good, which I like. IWN is holding. Everything is holding. Spy looks like it just want to keep ripping. The Q, not so much, but Spy. Nvidia. Mm. Honestly, hard to say, but you wanna see it hold. You wanna see it holding this support. If you are on my Discord, you should know what was the level that I was looking. Pretty much this support. You wanna see it holding this support. If loses that support, I will not be looking to play the upside here. But it's pretty much between 629 and 628. You wanna see Nvidia holding that. Pick any calls you want if you want to trade Tesla. Always go with as close as in the money as possible. With time, I got weekly because my intention is not to swing trade this one with so many earnings coming up after the market close and tomorrow. I think that stop loss is a little bit tight for Tesla, for Nvidia. With Nvidia, when you're trading stuff like Nvidia, Netflix, Tesla, you gotta give it some room because they move a lot, especially Nvidia. But that means you need to be willing to hold that one if it goes red on you for a few. That's why I don't think people should be playing Nvidia every single day. Only if you have a big account. Because if you have a small account, you're gonna be sweating that Nvidia trade. And most likely it's gonna stop you out a lot because you won't be able to hold those pullbacks, those big pullbacks that Nvidia can give you, and Tesla too, and Netflix. The mornings lately, the morning have been so choppy and uneventful, and then you have a crazy move in the afternoon. Okay, IWN is losing it here. Oopsie, no, I got too many contracts. But whatever. Okay, so I forgot I was playing with only one account. Yeah, so trading shouldn't be you shouldn't be sweating when you're trading. That's you're you're being emotional. I'm going short here with IWM futures because it's under my level. But I bought too many by mistake. But I'm just gonna leave it there. But Apple is looking pretty bearish. We want to see a SPY and the Q rejecting VWAP. That's what I want to see. I want to see a SPY going to 489. Okay. Do I like that move? I want to see continuation there. But yeah, Nvidia looks just like Tesla. Pretty much the same. Holding support. It's holding yesterday high, which is pretty bullish. Exactly just like pretty much just like Tesla. I like Tesla more because it has a big gap above. And Apple is holding 190.50, which is my level of support. And same with the Q. The Q is holding pretty good. And SPY too. Yeah, like IWN. I want to see IWN keep using this level here as resistance, which was support before. Well, it was resistance, then yesterday it got broke out, and now it's kind of acting as resistance. But I don't know if it's gonna be fully under because the market looks like it wants to turn around. But we'll see. Apple is fighting the VWAP, and same with the Q and SPY. And Tesla looks like it's ready, getting ready. Okay. Is this gonna be a bear flag? Hopefully. I want to see a bear flag there so I can take some profits on this play, on my futures play. But I want Tesla to hold 192, 193. And I want to see some likes, guys. You guys are lacking on that department. Okay, I like that. If the Q and SPY die here, IWM is just gonna be so dead. But I don't know because Apple is holding very, very good. So we'll see. I would love to see the Q retesting this level so I can sell most of my position on IWM futures. I'm gonna start locking some profits here because I bought too many by mistake. Morning, welcome to the stream. Welcome. Okay, I like that move. Give me more, give me more. Come on, Q, give me 426. Give me 426. That was a perfect bear flag, it looks. Give me more. I need Apple to lose 190.50. Okay, I like that. Looking beautiful. Come on, give me more. Okay, Apple. Apple. Apple keeps rejecting the VWAP. Come on, just die here. Give me 426. SPY, give me 489. Tesla is getting ready to boom boom. Just do it. Just do it. Okay, Apple moving lower. Come on, Apple, go lower. Tesla getting ready. How is this 30-minute time frame looking? Ooh, it's looking bullish. But we have four more minutes to close, and if the queue still needs to break the VWAP. Okay, I like that move. I'm taking a little bit more profit here. Okay, okay, more. More. Damn. Holding 3 runners. Holding 2 runners. I'm just gonna leave these 2 runners there. Let's see where the market's gonna go. Damn, Apple. Did we have any news? Oopsie. Wait. Okay. Okay. We have again weird morning candles just like yesterday. Look all these wicks on the queue. That means it doesn't want to go lower, but also doesn't want to go higher. Again, just like yesterday. But Tesla is looking fantastic. Apple is just crazy weak. Damn, Apple. Apple is just dead. Apple. Look, Apple is dying hard. The market is not even moving. What's going on? Look, Apple. What is this? So Apple, I think finally gonna go to my PT 188.50, the one that I was talking yesterday. I think Apple needs to retest this level. 189, 188.50. That's the level that I want to see Apple retesting. News on iPhone demand? Thank you, Marcos. even if you like, I find it so weird that data always come up at important levels. I noticed data always come out at important levels. Like I said it on my pre-market, and this is the plan that I had for Apple today. I had two. Let's go with my Discord so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is my Discord, and this is the plan that I post for Apple. So I put very weak under 192, which was the level yesterday and today that we rejected, that Apple rejected. And I said there's two ways that we can play Apple. One, if it bounce to 192 and we play the rejection there. The other one, if loses 190.50. So Apple went all the way up, reject 192, and then we have news right near 190.50, and that it broke that level. And yeah, this is my Apple plan that I post pre-market on my watch list. And look what Apple is doing. Oops, no. This one. It's... By the way, did you guys had time to review the free guide, the PDF that you guys had? That the free PDF that I talked about on Friday, where I explain how I manage to hold my runners for a longer time. And I'm gonna add a new video there. How I use it with the daily. Okay, I'm getting out of this because the market clearly, the Q doesn't want to go lower, even with Apple going lower. So with fees and everything, I'm still like 50 and $51 down. Let's see if we can, I just want to put a break even right now. I wanted to get a break even. With educational material, it's my stream. And I do end of the day recap. I'm gonna retake that because I know I haven't done end of the day recaps, but I'm gonna take that again. I'm gonna do it again. I need to do that again. So on my Discord, what I do is it's only for charts. So the idea of my Discord is you guys have what I'm looking to trade pre-market, and that's the only charts that I trade. I post obviously my analysis on SpanDQ, which is the most important thing that you need to trade, every single day, spy in the queue levels, and then my watch list. So my watch list is between 3 and 5 charts that I'm looking to play. And look, I had IWM, Tesla, Apple, Shop, Nvidia, and CrowdStrike. And I said it here very clear, Tesla is my main watch. I'm looking to play the huge gap it has above the blue zone. If Tesla can turn 193 into support, I play the upside towards the entire gap fill at 206.75. And you have a very clear picture here of what I was talking about. 193 level, the gap is the blue area here. You have it in daily and 1 hour time frames, and that's why I enter Tesla, just following my plan. IWM, my plan was if can hold 198 support. I was looking to play the upside here towards 200, right? But because it went under that level, I played the downside. But if IWM can regain 198 and use it as support, I might change direction here and play the upside with futures. Guys, Netflix, it was up 60 and 80%. It's you need to decide if you want to lock profit or not. Don't wait for me to tell you when to enter, when to sell. I was very clear and said that Netflix, you guys needed to lock profit. If you're following me. Like, don't follow me. I'm crazy. Don't follow anybody. But you cannot wait for me to tell you when to lock profit if something is up over 50%. And I posted. I said, make sure to lock some profits. On the small account, I'm still holding Netflix and it's down. So don't follow me. Just follow what I explained before taking the trade, and you make the decision if you want to take that trade or not. And make sure you take the decision when you want to sell or lock profit. I'm always locking profits on my main account because I enter with a big position. And yeah, I lock profit at any on next resistance. That's how I trade. and and yeah, I said it today a bunch of times. I'm not looking to swing Tesla because I don't want to hold Tesla with earnings coming up after market close today and tomorrow. Tesla maybe goes up the entire week and fill the gap. I don't know, but I just don't want to risk I don't want to risk more money here. Like right now, Tesla is having trouble with this pre-market high. We want to see a break in that. And then, I don't know, I'll see how Tesla is moving here to the upside. Maybe I swing for tomorrow. I don't know. It depends how I see the market moving today. But most likely, no. Most likely, I'm not gonna hold. Well, maybe. I don't know. Maybe I hold Tesla with only one contract. Right now, I have 40 or 37. I don't know. I'm not looking at my PNL or my contracts. I'm only looking the charts. But Tesla was a perfect entry. Perfect entry there. So yeah, we want to see Tesla breaking this high now. That's our resistance. We wanna see it breaking that resistance, use it as support, and keep going higher. Ooh, that's a very good plan. Yeah, making correct calls over your shares. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good plan. Damn, Netflix. So disappointed on Netflix and on me because I'm holding Netflix, the only contract that I had on the small account, and I should have taken profit on Friday. But Netflix looked so, it was looking so bullish that I thought it was gonna keep going higher, maybe give me a pullback to 570, but hold there. But today's high is 570, so it's acting as resistance. It's giving us lower lows, which is bearish, and it's back again at the 564, 560 level. I don't know what's gonna happen with Netflix, because if earnings today are bad, I think Netflix gonna die because it's been weak. I took a little bit of profits on Tesla on that resistance. Oh, okay, okay. Thank you, Sam. Hmm. I wanna see the SPY losing this support here. This morning low here. IWM is like not moving, like at all. It's not moving. I'm gonna short IWM, but it's gonna be or SPY. Which one? No, no, I'm not gonna short that because Apple is just right at my it's near my support. The Q also. Mm, let's go with two micros. Extremely small three. Very, very small position there. Again, I want to see SPY going to 489. That's my main price target. Mm, I don't know. I don't know. Like, why are you always asking me something that I cannot know? Like, remember, trading is about we react to whatever the market is doing. I cannot see the future. I don't know if it's gonna be a pullback or if it's gonna go all the way down to 193. I don't know. Again, we wait and see. So far, it looks like a strong reaction. And if the market is going lower, obviously it's not gonna help Tesla. Could also just move inside this two range and do nothing. I don't know. The only way that you're gonna know if Tesla is gonna go lower, like lower for real, is losing support. Yeah, Apple just right at my level, 188.50, the level that I was talking about like 5 minutes ago. That's the level on Apple. That's the level we want to see Apple holding. IWM, I want to see it regaining this level here. If IWM goes back up to 198 and use it as support and the VWAP, I'm gonna play the upside here. Come on, SPY, just give it to me. If SPY keeps consolidating here the entire morning, and same with the Q keeps consolidating at support the entire morning, I think it's gonna change direction. If lose that support and act as resistance, yeah, we're gonna see SPY go way lower. But if we see it like keep bouncing and holding, that's pretty bullish. Netflix again at the same level, 562. That was my entry level yesterday and Friday. Levels work most of the time if you're trading with the trend, with the bigger trend, like weekly and daily trend. So you don't want to do what I'm doing right now. I'm going against the big daily and weekly trend because it's bullish. So when you're this is how I trade options, and this is how I see that's the best setup, and how you get like you risk a very small amount compared to the reward that you get. Is waiting until the market gives you pullbacks, when the market on the weekly and the daily is very bullish like it is right now. So you are patiently waiting for pullbacks at key levels, at key daily levels, and then you enter there and play the upside when the market is bullish on weekly and daily levels. That's why I always say trade with the trend. You're gonna get way bigger return of your money. Yeah, you can scalp, like right now I'm doing to the downside. Maybe I get a little like green here, but the big move, you're gonna catch it with the market in your favor. Maybe you get one huge red day in the market when the market is green, and you catch that, but that doesn't mean it's the best setup to trade. Okay, so SPY is under my level, just dragging definitely the market lower. I'm sorry, Apple. Apple is under my level and dragging the market lower. SPY just doesn't want to give up. And the same with the Q. The Q wants to keep holding 426. Come on, just give me this little flush here. Yeah, the market definitely needs to calm down a little bit and stop making new all-time highs every single day. That is not healthy. That is not normal. We have another bounce. Again, another very boring morning. And I'm bullish on Tesla as long as it keeps holding my support. I don't care if it just move around here today. If just move around here today, I think I'm gonna have to swing this one. But as long as it's holding my support, I'm bullish on Tesla. Netflix bouncing. Apple is under support. Apple needs to hold here. Needs to hold this level. How you guys doing so far? Green on anything? Tesla calls? Nothing? This 30-minute time frame on SPY is not bearish at all, honestly. Not bearish at all. We just most likely just move inside this little channel and do nothing today, waiting for today's earnings. What's Nvidia doing right now? It's holding. Nvidia is holding support, but yeah, it's doing nothing. But it looks good. Google has earnings today, right? Or tomorrow. If it is today, why trading Google? It's today, yeah. Doesn't matter what I think about Google. It had earnings today. Clear uptrend, rejection of resistance, most likely not. You shouldn't be trading this. Yeah, you shouldn't be trading this. I'm getting out. In fact, I'm gonna buy to the upside because if we have what the market did yesterday, we just consolidate the entire day and then push maybe. I don't know. But remember yesterday when I ended the stream where let's go to a 5 minute time frame. I had we had this is the 5 minute time frame on the queue, right? This was yesterday. So in the morning on the stream, look what we had. We have choppiness, but holding the entire morning, holding support. And I remember that the queue stopped me out a few times here. And at the end, I don't I don't remember where I bought it, but I remember before closing the stream, I had two runners and I said to look for this high here to act as resistance, or if it breaks, we do here a break, break, retest this, or just a rejection. So before closing the stream, I had two runners, two micro runners playing the upside. And these runners, when I hold them until close. So two runners gave me what I never had with only two micros. These two runners gave me so much green. You guys have no idea. I wish I could have all these moves on the streams, like, but um, yesterday morning's looking just like today on the queue. Trading is not gambling at all. Trading has a very, you need to have, like, how to say, you need knowledge. Like, good traders know what they're doing. It's not gambling at all. It's not gambling at all. Like, there's a reason why good traders enter a trade. It's purely technical analysis. You gotta study technical analysis, really understand it, and master it. Technical analysis, basically price action, candles, reading, setups. Uh, in the numbers are 90% of traders fail, but that is wrong because obviously if let's just say you want you want to make a heart surgery, you go to college for like 12 years. You can you can watch YouTube videos about it, but are you gonna be able to do it? No, not really. So 90% of traders fail because they have no education. And because nobody, like, you don't have a college or a school that teach you how to trade. People just come to the market, see others making money, and they think that's easy, and then just put a bunch of money without taking any like lessons, without asking the right people to help them. So that's why I always say don't trade if you don't know what you're doing. Get a mentor. That's gonna save you a lot of money and a lot of stress and years. I mean, you go to school and you still don't know how to do math. You go to school like 10 how like 12 years and you still don't know how to do math. It's the same thing with trading. Good traders have been doing this for over 5 years and they have lost a lot of money at the beginning. They bought a lot of courses. They they got into mentorship. They got into different groups. They trade, they practice, they have discipline. But practicing and trading without having the right direction, knowledge is worthless. That nothing is gonna change if you don't know what you need to change. And you have the other side that when I have so many people that it gets into my mentorship and then I tell them what to do and what not to do and they don't do it. They just keep doing the same thing over and over again. No, I don't know who that is. Wait, what's going on? I'm talking here and I forgot I had. Okay. Apple breaking down. Let's see. Is this buy gonna break the support here? Are we gonna have oh, a big red candle here? Yeah, remember to like. Yeah, that's 100% true. Trading is very, very, very hard. Very. You got A's in calculus? Man, Apple just lost 188. Crazy, crazy week. The trade today was Apple 192 rejection. That was the trade today. Apple 192 rejection. Dang it. And I missed my this trade. I had it on my watch list and I missed it. It's okay. Yeah, the queue and the spy looks just like the queue yesterday. Just like the queue yesterday. And I'm not gonna allow spy fake me out like the queue did yesterday. Yeah, you're right. Spy. The past few days, Apple it's been moving a lot. Most of the time, Apple moves like $1, but today it has like $3, a $3 move, and I think yesterday was the same, like $3 move, which is weird on Apple. Anybody got those Apple puts? I want to know how those puts are moving because Apple contracts barely move. Also, super annoying. I will only think of a short on Netflix if loses 560. And it had a bad news, Apple. That's why it's dying. Mm, mm, mm. Let's see what Snow is doing. Nothing. Might retest 202 maybe? But maybe it's just an inside candle, like everything, like SPY, the Q, consolidation. Consolidation. Nothing. I wouldn't go alone on anything right now. Bro, the Q, Apple is dragging the market down. That's what's happening. For the market to move, you only need Apple and Microsoft. That's it. Those two are the biggest holders on the Q and SPY. So if you have Apple going lower, it's gonna move the Q and SPY. It's gonna move everything. Microsoft. Ooh, Microsoft is holding 409. 409 yesterday high. We wanna see that. But Microsoft had earnings today, so it's a no-no for me. The only thing that I like right now is SPY, honestly. SPY is not even moving. Not Colombian, Venezuelan, but you're close. Mm. Gonna go with one more on here. Looking to play a move towards morning high on SPY. Small position, but I like this hold on SPY. SPY just doesn't want to go lower. Coin for puts? Let's see. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. I don't know. I don't know because kind of have this little uptrend and this support maybe. So you want to see it losing 130, 129. In fact, I kind of like going to play the upside if can hold 130, 129. But who knows? I don't know. I don't really know with this one. Like 5 minutes ago, I explained how the market is looking just like yesterday and what happened yesterday. Ooh, okay, financial. Okay, let's see JP Morgan. What's doing? JPM. Yeah, JP Morgan. Okay. Ooh, JP Morgan, the 173 hold. That was pretty clean. BAC. Bank of America barely move. It's right at resistance, but yeah, it's definitely moving higher. City. Flying. XLE. Let's see. XLE is the, oh no, XLE is energy, but let's see how is energy. Oh, energy is doing, looks like a flag here. A flag with a gap above. That's pretty bullish. Very bullish. Yep, yep. You can go easily to, I don't think this line is right here. 84.60, 85. Then 87. XLF. Yeah, that's financials. No, it's ripping. $39 is resistance. And then we have, let's say, 39.50. 40. And the market said break it. Why I sold IWM? I had a very good entry. Well, yeah, I know why. Because the Q and SPY are holding. IWM is doing nothing. Yeah, buddy, I'm in Tesla. I took a little bit of profit, but I'm holding most of my position. I'm in Tesla, in Tessie. And playing the ES upside micro with micros. $197 again on IWN. 197 again. Mornings. The past few days on the market so choppy until, and it's yesterday the market decided to rip at lunchtime. Venezuela tiene reggaeton. Yeah, I think every single Latin country has reggaeton. Okay, just give me the flag breakout here, SPY. Come on, break this new all-time high. Go crazy. See? This is exactly what happened yesterday. Top the entire morning but holding support. Ooh, and Apple regained 188.50. Tesla? Why Tesla? You need to go higher. You need to hold here. Tesla's looking very weak right now. So if Tesla cannot go back to 183 with the market moving higher, I don't like that. Shop. Let's see shop. I had shop on my watch list. Is mm, nah. I need a shop to hold 83. Nicola, are you serious? Or whatever that name of that company is. Let's see. That's a penny stock. It's not even worth $1. You're funny. That's funny. Nicola coming from for Tesla, and it's not even worth $1. Just keeps going lower. The question is when it's gonna go to zero. In fact, this can be a very good, like, crazy high return, low risk play. You can buy it at 75 cents and you can have a short squeeze here. Does Nicola have any? It has options? Let's see. That would be funny. Can I buy an option on Nicola for like less than $1? I have $5 to play with. I don't. Should I? I don't know. Nicola. Oh yeah, I have options. $45. Why so expensive? $45. 16. I'm looking for the 2026 contracts. 2025. Um, no, I wanted the contract at $5. The 2026, 2025, $10. Um, the $10 calls at $5. The 2025. We can get lucky here and have a short squeeze towards resistance, which is $10, a little bit under $10. I want the $5 contract at $5. How are we doing with SPY? Okay. SPY, okay. Okay, Tesla regained 193, which is what I wanted to see. SPY looking beautiful. I'm just messing up with you. I know nothing about cars. My dad is a mechanical engineer, and my brother is an engineer too. But all I know is money. All I know is dollar bills. SPY looking so bullish. SPY, I need you to move because I have a appointment at 1:30. So I need to sell this position before 1. Ooh, IWM, IWM. Okay, wait. I was distracting. I was distracted here. IWM. I'm gonna take IWM with only one account. Let me change this. No group, one account. Okay, I'm gonna buy one here, three here, four. Yes. Okay. Let's go, spy. IWM can be a very, very good like swing, but with like 5 months out. I think it's gonna retest 205, but it's gonna take time. Like maybe for the end of the year, like a swing that you don't really see, like you don't check it out, like you buy for end of the year and as close as in the money as possible, and then you completely forget about it. And again, I'm playing very, very small because I'm for Apex, I'm gonna apply for payment in 2 days, so I don't wanna lose any money there. I want my money. Don't want any funky business. a lot of times. You can apply for payment twice per month. So I've been paid a lot of times. If I want to go to the Super Bowl, 12K tickets? No, I would not go to the Super Bowl. Don't get mad at me, but I don't like that the American football it's called football. I don't understand that. The only thing that I watch on the Super Bowl is the halftime. I like the real football. Sorry, not sorry. Not really, not a Swiftie. 12 grand is nothing when you're rich and you like sports. For normal people with a 9 to 5, that's a lot of money. Come on, Tesla, just do something. Yeah, yeah. If you're rich, 12K is nothing. Come on, Idolian. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Okay, I need to go pee pee. And spies are resistance. I think I'm gonna sell my macros here because I don't. Should I? Should I? I don't want the market to flush with my toilet. Okay, I'll be gone for like 1 minute. I'll be quick. Okay. Sale. Ah, it's almost 12. I think I have an appointment at 1:30. I need to leave the house around 1:10 because it's very close by. I'm gonna start selling here. Holding two. IWM. IWM. We're back to green on ES, on the ES micros, which is what I wanted. I like that, Tessie. Looking great. Looking good. I need you to break the VWAP now and go. Maybe, yeah, that's your all-time high. That's yesterday high, so maybe, yes. Who knows? Maybe. Apple is curving down, but I think if Apple can hold here 188 and just consolidate a little bit, the market can go higher. I think Apple is too low and I think it needs to hold here, give us like a bounce and retest VWAP. I don't know. And honestly, guys, if I decide to hold Tesla overnight, you shouldn't be doing that because you can easily lose your entire position. Like that Tesla position can go to zero tomorrow if we have bad, if what's earning, if AMD or Google, or what's the other one that it has earnings today? I think Microsoft has bad earnings or guidance, the market's gonna go down. So that's gambling. Holding positions today and tomorrow overnight, it's gambling. Definitely gambling. You need to make a decision and know, are you willing to lose your entire position on Tesla holding overnight? Are you okay holding Tesla with Tesla? Wake if you wake up tomorrow and your position goes to zero. And this is also exactly what happened with Apple yesterday. Okay, let's go here with Apple. What Apple is doing and what happened yesterday with Apple. So today we have clear rejection on 192. This resistance here, 192 was support, now acting as resistance. We had bad news here, and it lost this entire, lost the 190.50 support, right? And went under the next support, 188.50, and now it's holding that. What happened with Apple yesterday? Apple went down. Let's go 29. This is Apple yesterday on the 5-minute time frame, so we can compare it to today. Apple went open, reject again the same level, 188, 192, same level, went all the way down to 190.50, lost that support, then regained it, and then just kind of hold support the entire morning, and then bounce back and retest 192. So you have rejection 192, went under support, then bounce again and regain support, and then consolidate above support, and then bounce. What we have today looks kind of the same. We have rejection of 192, 192, add support, regaining support, and it's looking like it's holding that support, and it's looking like ooh, spy, okay, and it's looking like it's holding that support. We may have another move to next resistance, which is exactly what happened yesterday. Retest of previous support, now acting as resistance. I'm gonna change this to red and see. Are we gonna have a boom boom here with Apple again, just like yesterday? Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? It's too far from the VWAP. Bye. Okay, so now we want to see a SPY holding this little resistance here. We want to see it holding a support. Looks like SPY was flagging the entire morning. I hope you guys are reading and using this guide, because I think I have so many DMs asking me about how I hold my gainers that you guys need to read. Go and get it's free. Completely free, that guide. And here's the link. I'm gonna sell one more on ES here. Because I need to go and take out my trash. The trash truck it's outside my house. It's nearby, so I need to take out the trash. Yeah, I'm holding one runner on Micros on ES. Hopefully we can see Spy breaking this high here. I'll be back. Yeah, it comes in an email. Make sure to check your spam folder. Mm -mm 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 -mm. Awesome. Awesome. Come on, Spy, just boom boom. No, sorry, no, you can't. Uh, you cannot keep futures overnight with any prop firm. They close all positions at 4, I think. So we had the Q going lower. The Q being red, SPY is green. Thanks, Apple. Thanks, Apple. Okay, that's a long wiki, and we're closing in 30 minutes. Um, that's bearish. I'm sorry, we're closing in the 30-minute time frame candle is closing in 1, 2, time for me it's 12. Out of that on ES, only holding IWM futures. Okay, this is the only position that I have open. Futures. And I want to see more likes. We have over 100 people and only 60 likes. You know what looks pretty good for the upside? The Q. The Q is holding support. Apple is holding support. Um, I've done it here. I'm making videos for a video guide. So I'm working on that on a video guide. I scalp and day trade futures, and I mostly swing options. Okay, I like that move on SPY, but I want a bigger candle. I'll go with the group. We have 3. Should we try this again? Yep, I'm gonna go with SPY upside here. My stop loss is gonna be the 9 EMA. How long? No idea. No idea. No, I can't. Futures is scalping, so it's impossible for me to share that. Well, no, I'm lying. I sometimes do share my futures play, but most of the time they're too fast. I share it here. Okay, okay, okay. I'm I know I'm playing the upside here right at resistance. The thing is that I like how SPY is holding support. I'm sorry, Apple is holding support. And I think Apple is looking to bounce here, at least to the VWAP. Needs like a relief bounce. And it's right at very strong support. 188. So yeah, it's a little bit risky, but I like this risk to reward here with Apple at support. If it stops me out, just stops me out and I'll be done for the day. And I have like 45 minutes to trade. Before 1, I need to be done. Done here. Damn. That's level hold 626, 624. Beautiful. Just by seeing Nvidia holding yesterday high at support, that's pretty bullish. Looking great. Video looking awesome. Congrats if you took this trade here. This Nvidia trade. Very clean also. Damn, Tesla. Tesla looks like it wants to fill the gap. Maybe it's gonna stop me out, but 191 is my stop loss. Freaking Tessie. Yeah, and it looks like I'm gonna swing this one. Whoa. Okay. Spies eager to boom boom. Come on, just do it before 1 p.m. I need to get out before 1. New hair color? 2024 hair color. I got it done in December. But yeah. New year, new hair. Yeah, it's holding. It's doing nothing. Tesla is doing nothing. It's consolidating. Which is fine for me. Consolidation is very healthy. And the bigger the consolidation, the bigger breakout you're gonna have. Just like snow yesterday. Snow consolidated and kind of went low last week, but it was always holding support. And then yesterday you have the big boom. Everything's so slow. If SPY closes with this 30-minute candle like that, the trade is to play the downside here. right at resistance, 30-minute candle, but still, we still have like almost 17, 16, over 16 more minutes to go. But let's just say we having like 30 seconds before the 30-minute candle close. If closes like that, the trade is the downside. But it's holding. It's holding, and Apple is holding also. It's holding 188.50. I talk about Nvidia. Um, I'm not on Nvidia. I just talk about the level that I was looking for Nvidia to hold, and it was right also on my watch list today. Nvidia, the first one here. Gapping up pre-market. If can hold 425, 428, that's pretty bullish. Look the arrow here. Back down, retest yesterday high, hold it, boom. That's exactly what Nvidia is doing. But I'm not on Nvidia. I just talk about Nvidia because a few people ask me here. Okay, looks like I'm gonna get a stop out. Let's see. Let's see, let's see. Nope. Yes. Nope. Yes. Yep. Nope. Whoa. Yes. No. Yeah, I'm out. Out. Out of everything. Bye. Bye. Bro. What the heck? Why the market? Why you gotta move like that? Why? Why? Okay, I'm done for today. I'm down. I don't know how much. Like 500 in total, maybe a little bit more. Four more. I don't know, like 800, 700. No idea. But yeah, red day for me with futures. Tesla is red also so far. 191 is the level that I want to see Tesla holding. If it cannot hold the 191, I'm out of Tesla. But yeah, super choppy morning. like every single morning lately. See you guys tomorrow. Remember to like the video and subscribe. See you mañana.